Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel with another new video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It was a beautiful drizzling Sunday. The weather was so cold that we were all unable to wake up from the bed soon. Sundays have always got an excitement of eating biryani in our life. So I thought of sharing the other things that we do on the same biryani day. Few recipes and tips too. Keep watching till the end without skipping the video. Breakfasts are usually very simple on Sunday. One reason is we get up late, and the other reason is our tummy is getting ready for the biryani. So the breakfast was just dosa with chutney. We have never missed to eat biryani on any Sunday since the time we got married. The first thing we do before making the biryani is make raita and refrigerate it, because the cold raita is the best combo with the hot biryani. I have already posted a video on making biryani in pressure cooker. You can check out my iCard above or the link in the description box. Meanwhile, Mishra is getting ready along with her dad. The meat is done, time to add the rice into it. While this is cooking, I need to prepare a separate meal for my baby girl. Because whenever we prepare biryani at home, I have to make a different one for my baby. Though she tastes biryani, she cannot take it as a whole meal as it is too spicy for her level. So here comes the baby food recipe for you all. I am taking half a cup of jeera samba rice, or you can also take basmati rice. Also taking half a cup of moong dal. Dal and rice together, it is totally 1 cup. Cleaning it well with tap water and then with the RO water. Add the washed rice and dal into the rice cooker. If you are not having rice cooker, you can do the same thing with a pressure cooker too. There's nobody in the park. Quarantine effect. Peeling one potato. It's a very small potato. I'm just making for her, so I do not need any medium size or large potato. Cut them into small pieces and add it into the dal and rice. Taking 3 cups of water, adding that to the vessel that I took rice and dal, so that I can wash out all the excess sticking onto that, and adding that into the rice cooker. Add some salt according to your child's need. Make sure you're not adding too much like we do for us. Adding a pinch of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well, and now we shall allow it to cook. That's Mishra playing with her dad, and that's our office chair. Now the biryani is done. Let me take it out and show you guys. Let's check out the potato masala rice that we did for Mishra. Mishra's food is also done. We can add some ghee and mash it with our hands and feed it to them. If I'm willing to give the same biryani 24/7 to my husband for the entire week, he has no hesitation to it at all. He will not ask me any other varieties at all. That's my husband enjoying biryani. These are my coriander leaves blooming up. I shall show you the update once it is completely done. The sky has slightly cleared up. Time to take rest for me, and they both are playing. During this lockdown period, we have been following some kind of immunity booster in our daily routine. So let me tell you how I make tulsi tea. I have taken 200 ml of milk for 2 people, that is me and my husband, and I have also mixed together 90% of tea leaves and 10% of tulsi leaves. If you are not mixing it together, for 1 tablespoon of tea leaves, you can add around 2 to 3 pieces of tulsi leaves. That has to be dried or fresh. I have kept it dried. You can either do it in sun drying method or the microwave method. Just add 2 tablespoons for 2 glasses of tea and boil it until the essence go in, and that's all. That's a tulsi tea. If you want some sweetening agent, you can either add brown sugar or honey. All detailed ingredients will be there in the description box. You can check it out there. And in this lockdown period, we have been majorly missing our outing days. Especially when it comes to Mishra, she is missing it a lot. Though we cannot go out much, we prefer to be inside the car and look at the world outside. At least during the weekends. It might be too funny to look at us like this. During this period, we really need this break, at least during the weekends. So we are back home. This is the time I can give her a practice of climbing upstairs, walking and other stuffs. Because since she's been inside the house for a very long time, we don't get her to the parks also, and this can give her a certain kind of physical exercise. Now quickly preparing a snack. A simple snack, onion rings. Remove the skin from the onions and wash it off completely. Slice them into half-inch circular discs. If you've got any excess wedge-shaped pieces, you can trim it off. Now we can remove the outer rings. The bigger ones are needed, the others can be kept for later use. So the rings are ready. Into the mixing bowl, adding 1 egg. For the masala, I will be adding chili powder, salt and turmeric powder. Chili powder, I took it very less, like 1/4 teaspoon. Salt according to your need. And turmeric powder is also according to your need. I also added a teaspoon of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of maida, whisking it together. Dip the onion ring in the maida mixture and then we will dust it with the breadcrumbs. So that's well coated and that's ready. Let me heat up the oil and keep that ready. So the onion rings are ready to get fried. Fry them until they become golden and crisp. For all the detailed ingredients, do check out my description box. I have given all the ingredients list. And that's Mishra playing with her balls. The rings are perfectly golden and crispy. Can you see the texture? It has come out really well. And my husband loved it. Everyone liked it. Time for Mishra's dinner because she goes to sleep before us at 8:30. She is self-feeding herself with the rice that I made in the afternoon because we also have the same biryani rice for our dinner. Looking at what my baby eats in a day video, everyone asks me how your baby eats so well without messing up. That's not the reality. After she starts eating the food by herself, she will definitely mess it up. But we are supposed to accept it in order to motivate them their individuality in exploring their food. So this is the reality. We should be just ready to clean it up, but they are learning to feed themselves. That will help them when they go to school and when they are ready to be individual. And that's our biryani with pickle as a dinner. And that ends today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And do tell me how did this video turn out to be in the comment section. Also don't forget to follow me in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Telegram. All the links are there in my description box. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.